Today, I'm going to cook vegetables omelette for breakfast. I'm going to make a breakfast recipe ideas that's ready in just 15 minutes. Our ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half cup of fresh milk, 1 cup of celery, 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, half of bell pepper, 4 cloves of garlic and onion. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Add garlic, onion, and potato cubes. Stir. Season with salt, and pepper. Stir. Then add half cup of water and continue cooking for 3 to 4 minutes until our potato is almost cooked. Now our potato is almost cooked and we'll add the carrots. Sorry, I accidentally paused my camera. Add the celery. Celery will always give us a very nice flavor. And bell peppers. We will continue cooking for like 2 minutes. Look at that. Our vegetable is very beautiful. And the color is very refreshing. Now our vegetables is ready. We will remove from pan and put in a bowl and rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Crack and add the eggs to a bowl. Season it with pepper, oregano, and add the fresh milk. Mix well. Then add our cooked vegetables. Mix it well. In a pan, heat oil in medium heat. Then add our omelette mixture. I will make 2 portions because I'm going to make one for the sandwich and the other one is like a pizza shape. Cook in medium heat like 2 minutes before you flip over. Check the edges. If already color brown, before you flip. Now, let's cook our first batch. This is good to make a sandwich. Any bread of your preference will do. Here, I use a kubus. Now, I will make our second batch. What I will do, I will make like a pizza. Cook it for 2 minutes. Check the edges if already color brown. Use a plate to flip over your omelette. Then slide it back to the pan. And we flip it perfectly. Then add cheese as our toppings. And presenting our perfect vegetables omelette. It's best for breakfast or even brunch. It's easy to make and you can add any vegetables or any ingredients you like. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching at Wilma's Kitchen.